Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Viewers, when most people think of barnacles, they imagine cell-like organisms clinging to boats, docks, or even walls. Yet some barnacles go far beyond passive attachment. They can actually invade and take over their hosts. Instead of gluing themselves to a rock or something, they glue themselves to a host, often a crab, and they inject themselves into the host and live their entire life as a root network growing through their host. And it is almost like a fungal network or plant root systems. They have no real body in the way that we think of animal bodies. Explain James Barnard, at assistant professor in the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at UConn. Barnard and an international team of collaborators, including lead author Niklas Dreyer from the Natural History Museum of Denmark and Biodiversity Research Center Academia Sinica in Taiwan, Zorzen Olesen from the Natural History Museum of Denmark, Georgy Kolbasov from Moscow University, Jens Hoyek from the University of Copenhagen, and Raju Machida and Beni Chan from the Biodiversity Research Center Academy Sinica recently published a study in Current Biology on a puzzling group of crustaceans that may help resolve one of marine biology's enduring mysteries. Barnacles are crustaceans are like crabs and shrimp and have evolved unusual survival strategies. After a free swimming larval phase, they spend the rest of their lives permanently attached to a chosen surface. Once especially mysterious group known as Y larvae or Pachytecta looks like juvenile brancals. They have been documented in plankton samples since the 1800 AD, but no one has ever identified their adult stage. Barnett notes that these unresolved questions remain central, though the team's new research brings science closer to an answer. To investigate where wild larvae belong on the crustacean family tree, the researchers gathered more than 3,000 specimens and examined their genes by sequencing the transcriptome, the set of expressed RNA molecules that reflects which genes are active. We were finally able to confirm in the realm of big data science that they are in fact related to barnacles, but they are not closely related to any of the other parasitic barnacles. This was interesting to test by building a giant tree of life for all the crustaceans, then adding this little branch of Y larvae and this very unknown group to the bigger tree, and we saw that they are related to barnacles but more as distant cousins, says Barnard in this exclusive report FTV English Delhi Bharat.